this video, let's talk about our 1.5-inch wheel spacers safe.
In fact, 1.5-inch wheel spacers are exactly safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any 1.5-inch wheel spacers that are installed. Generally, half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fit perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These 1.5-inch wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality 1.5-inch wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many 1.5-inch wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum 1.5-inch wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best 1.5-inch wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century middle ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the 1.5-inch wheel spacers and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling 1.5-inch wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of 1.5-inch wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously nurture the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling 1.5-inch wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driving peace of mind.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.